Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, remote engine start, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, keyless start, climate control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.